If a DAO needs a private place to live, it should be Nox, a confidential voting for existing DAOs. Here is a list of some DAO proposals which have been executed on chain. Normally, every member's vote can become public. With Nox Vote, the participations remains visible, but each member choice, that is, the for, the against, and the abstain, stays confidential. Creating a proposal is as easy as this 3 steps. Visit app.noxvote.xyz, click on create, put in your description, your contract address. Action target is referred to as a targeted contract address, meaning once this vote actually succeed, the contract that you should call or perform transaction on. In my case here, I'm going to be using our token contract address, which is already deployed and verified, of course, and it does have a white function that says mint. You can either paste your call data or you build from an ABI. You can have a mint function in here, provide the address that I want to mint. Just know if you're familiar with DAO, this could be any transactions at all. As long as the voting goes through, the transactions will be called automatically. Approve deployment factory. It could be any action target at all. So encoded call data, configure the minimum votes for this to pass. Click on publish confidential proposal. Your wallet pops up. So you sign the transaction. This transaction is already published. You can see the transaction ID. View it on the proposal list. See, this new confidential proposal is just open. If you want to view more details on the Explorer, you can click on verification hash. That shows you the activities on chain, like the ballots, the governor's contract. You see right here, 1 minute ago, confidential proposal. To cast a vote is as easy as these 3 steps. Step 1, make sure your wallet is connected and you have to click on an open proposal that is taking votes, which our proposal right here is. The next step is to mint and delegate yourself a token, so you're able to cast a vote on a proposal. Once you click on mint and delegate, your wallet pops up, so you sign the transaction. Once you have a delegated tokens, you can now cast your votes. You can cast your votes for, against, or to abstain. I'm gonna go for submit confidential votes. My wallet pops up, I sign the transaction. Yep, my transaction is already recorded. Once a voting is over, anyone can request a tally and also finalize the verdict. Once the verdict is finalized based on the vote passes, then you can now queue to time log. You can see this is now executed on chain, so you can view the transaction hash in here. This takes us to Sapolia scan. You can see more information, and if you go into the verification center, you can virtually see more information of the finalized transactions, the operations that was recorded on chain. If you're curious of how we built all of this together, you can visit our documentation docs.noxvote.xyz, where we walk you the quick start guide, how to set this up, the way the architecture works, alongside a deployed contract. Nox Vote, where private DAO lives.